So which of the three do you suck at? You either suck as a parent and or suck as a spouse and or suck as an adherent, as a believer, as a follower of a God or a specific religion. And why did I say this? And what I offer as a verifier, the validator, and the voucher for the statement in which I speak? Because you have put one above the other, or you have tried to equally spread out your faith and commitment to one or more. If you are married, or if you are in a relationship in which you have children, and your children come before your spouse, then you suck as a spouse. You suck as a husband, you suck as a wife. You suck as the other parent if you put the children before the other adult. If you put the other adult before your children, then you suck as a parent. If you put your family or your spouse before your God, then you suck as a believer, an adherent, as a follower. If you put your God above any of the other two, then you suck as a parent, you suck as a spouse. It can't be all three. You have been told, those of Christianity, those of the people of the Bible, you can't serve two gods. You can't equally give your time and commitment, your faith, your love, your belief, equally in the same to two opposing things. By the very nature, two things which aren't one thing, are in opposition. This is something that is rarely done within society, within the world, of professing one's love for one or more things, but consistently showing that love is lacking. And you go through it, you embrace